If you're a local business trying to get high quality leads without wasting money on bad ones, Google Guaranteed or Google Local Service Ads might just be your secret weapon. It's important to understand how the platform works and how to stay ahead of the curve. There's been so many updates in 2025, and we're here to help. In this video, we're breaking down the latest updates to Google Local Service Ads, including the new credit system, review policy changes, and exciting new tools, so you can make smarter ad decisions and get the most bang for your buck. What's Google Local Service Ads? Let's start with the basics. Google Local Service Ads, or LSA, are ads that appear at the very top of Google search results when someone searches for a local service, like a plumber, electrician, or a roofer. What sets them apart, that little check mark, Google Guaranteed, Screened, or Licensed Verified. It means your business is vetted, verified, and backed by Google, giving customers peace of mind and giving you premium placement. You only paid for real leads, and customers can reach out via call, message, or even direct booking. New automatic credit process. First up, say goodbye to the manual dispute process. Summer of 2024, Google rolled out automatic lead credits for poor quality leads. No more filing disputes. You'll now get refunded automatically for leads Google deems unqualified. You won't need to do anything. It's handled automatically. However, credits are getting harder to get. We have seen a drop for credits on job type not serviced or location not serviced. You need to review your settings to make sure you're only getting the right type of leads. Update your service areas, job types, and categories to better align with your ideal customer. Plus, if you haven't trained your intake team on how to handle LSA calls, you're missing out on a bunch of credits. LSA reviews now part of Google Business Profile. Another major shift, probably the biggest one, all LSA reviews will now live on your Google Business Profile. This means your overall star rating, review count, and even visibility may change. Google is cracking down on reviews that don't meet Google Maps review policies. So if some disappear, it might be due to verification issues or spam detection. Bottom line, keep your review strategy strong, ethical, and ongoing. And yes, your reviews affect your LSA ranking. Profile matching required. To keep running Google Local Service Ads, your ad profile now needs to match exactly with your Google Business Profile, including your name, address, and at least one account owner. This is all about consistency and credibility. If your info doesn't line up, you could lose your eligibility for Google Guarantee, and that's not a badge you want to lose. Goodbye to the LSA mobile app. We all know what happened, but here's a reminder. The Local Service Ads mobile app is gone. It was removed from app stores on November 7th and stopped working entirely in January 2025. But don't worry, all your tools are still available on a mobile-friendly website. Just head to ads.google.com/local services to manage leads, check your ad spend, and respond to customers. Want to see how your LSA ads look to potential customers? Google's new ad preview diagnosis tool lets you do just that. Preview your ad in real time, see ad status and basic stats like impressions and conversions. Anyone with admin, standard, or reports only access can use it. You'll see impressions, conversions, spend data, and more, all in one place. Use it to spot issues and fine-tune your campaigns for max visibility. LSA promotions. This one's still in testing, but it's exciting. Google is exploring promotions inside Google Local Service Ads. Think 20% off or 10% off new customers right in the ad itself. It's a simple way to boost conversions and stand out from competitors. We'll keep you posted as it rolls out. Bathroom and kitchen remodeling pros. Good news. Google has expanded LSA nationwide for your vertical. If you offer these services, now's the time to set up or optimize your LSA campaign. New LSA terms and conditions. There's a big update to the LSA terms and conditions. And yes, you'll have to accept them to keep your ads running. Key changes include Google can now use your profile content like photos, hours, or your website across its platforms. It may also pull info like bios, pricing, or photos from your website. Website links, calls, and messages via Google Your Local Service Ads account may now be linked to other Google services you use. Another helpful update, your LSA reports will now break down your spend by lead type. This gives you better insight into where your budget is going. More transparency equals smarter decisions that helps you understand where your budget is going and optimize based on what's working best. Google Local Service Ads are getting smarter, faster, and more powerful, but only if you know how to use them. Whether you're running your own campaign or working with a marketing partner, staying ahead of these changes can be the difference between wasted budget and real profitable leads. Accelerate Marketing is already helping businesses like yours stay ahead of these changes. If you need any help with optimizing your Google Business Profile or local service ads to get more visibility and leads, text us at 619-304-5155 and we'll help you get started. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss out on tips like this. Thanks for watching.